My name is Brittany and I'm doing my case study on Walmart operations, and I'm going to go over the CFF portion, which is a clean, fast, and friendly score and how it affects our overall store. So first we'll start with on the agenda is what is a clean, fast, and friendly score. So we call it a CFF score for short. And so the C stands for clean, and this measures the store cleanliness from customer standpoint and can include bathrooms, floors, and shelves. The F stands for fast. This measurement comes from the customer's perception of how long they must wait for service or be in line at a checkout. And then the second F stands for friendly. This is a measurement goes with fast, the ability to get service in a timely manner and have associates be helpful, polite, and friendly. So our overall score for these categories and times that include will include opportunities for our particular store. The number of surveys completed each week and ones that include comments and how they impact our overall score. So first, I'd like to go over what operations management is. And operations management is the science and art of ensuring that goods and services are created and delivered successfully to customers. The CEO of Walmart, Doug McMillon, said, "Customers want everything. You can't build a business that's successfully purely on price." And that's true. We can have the everyday low price and still not be successful because we need to be meeting our customers' needs. And so this clean, fast, and friendly scorecard is more of what they want. Customers want a clean store in stock on the items they want and friendly associates to help them find what they need. Lastly, and sometimes the most important aspect is fast. Customers want to be able to get in and out of our stores without waiting a single minute. And that's in the perfect world, but that's what they want. I know, and I've worked retail for 7 years now, and I know I'm the same way. I go to another place, and I had a great customer service, but I stand in line, and 5 minutes feels like 30. So it's hard, but they want fast. So let's go over what a CFF score kind of report looks like. So this is a basic report. This is just your overall score. So the goal is to be at an 8.74, and we're currently 87.6% to that goal. And so that's not very good. Anything that's under 95% gets us, as you can see on the graph, red. It's super red because we're only sitting at 7.66 instead of a 8.74. So this graph breaks down per week how we're doing, and then it also kind of gives a trend. And then it also breaks down, are you doing good in the mornings? Where's your areas of opportunity? So currently our areas of opportunities tend to be the weekend, in the morning and in the night, and then weekdays at night. So what can we do to help affect those numbers is what these reports are good for. So next we'll go over how does the CFF score even happen? Like, how do we get this score? So it starts with customer shopping at our store. So that customer shops at our store, and whatever experience they have, they get to that register, they check out, we offer them a survey. It's on the back of every receipt, whether we offer, like, physically talk about it and offer it to them or not, it's there on the back of that receipt. And so customers then go online and they take that survey. And they can leave comments and talk to us and let us know what's going on and rate us on a scale of 1 to 10. The system then takes that results and calculates it based on the number of surveys they got and the comments they received. So then after that's all calculated, it comes to us. For managers, it comes to us usually it's within a few days. We can see the customer comments on our phones through what we call a BYOD, which has a clean, fast, and friendly app. And then on every Sunday, it updates for the whole week. It updates and gives us our final score. And so we review those comments and review the reports, and we take action to where we can to try to help move that needle up. And then the next few slides go over a breakdown of each category: clean, fast, and friendly. So first we'll start with clean, and we're at an 89.9% to plan, sitting at a 7.86. And so as you can see, clean is not good. In week 13, it was great, sitting closer to the number we need to be at, and then it just dropped. So if you're looking at these every week, you'll know why that dropped. Like, are we maintenance person was gone, or it was super fast that week and nobody cleaned the bathrooms more than 2 times during the day, and so how much traffic did you have going in there? So these charts help us as managers and us as a team try to fix what's going on and know what's going on. So it looks like just about 90% of the day, it's not good. So last week, I know we failed. And this is probably part of the reason why it's red, is because of the bathrooms, using the maintenance associate for other things, such as cashiering and stuff like that. It kind of hit us hard. They were getting clean, but not to the clean that they need to be. The next one's going to go over our FAST score. The FAST score has always been an issue in the store, and it will continue to be until we change the perception to the customers, which is having our checkouts open. So something we are working on focusing on even more, and sometimes it gets pushed back. We try to focus on it and it gets pushed back again, which is ROP, and that's register, open, to plan. And this goes hand in hand with staffing and forecasting on your sales. It uses past year's sales to kind of tell you how many associates you're going to need that day to help check the registers. It's not always accurate. Usually you probably need more or sometimes less, but more is better. So just one thing we got to work on with staffing. Some of the biggest complaints and the most common you see on the comment log is more checkouts open, more checkouts open, more checkouts open. And so we all want fast. So the next one is the friendly score, and this tends to be one of our better scores, still not out of the red yet, but very close, sitting at a 93.6% with an overall 8.18% to goal. So we tend to be pretty good here. As you can see, we do have a green on the board, which is nice, which is weekdays in the mornings. And that's, to me, to be honest, I would think that was because our department managers are here. Department managers probably make out half of our staff, and they're here on the weekdays, and they're here in the morning. And so they're not here on the weekends or weekdays in the afternoon after 3:30, 4 o'clock. So we lose having those people around for those customers to ask questions to. And then we don't usually generally have a lot of them on the weekends. So that it's another concept of not having enough people to ask, well, where's this? Because there's not enough people out on the floor. We also we start working more on our 10-foot rule, which is associates greeting and asking and thanking every customer that comes within 10 feet. And this is a rule that's always been in place, but sometimes we have to remind them that we got to do it. And so how can you improve this score? So a good part of the way where our management team can improve the score is digging into these reports, looking at them every time they pop up, looking at it every Sunday, maybe even having a meeting about it, every Monday, or just digging into it and trying to figure out, reading those comments and making those changes where we can. Fix the fast things. Don't let it go slide. Just fix it. I know sometimes there's some things we just can't fix. I had a customer who would write on there probably every week, bring back Charmin Basic, because it moved to Charmin Essentials, and they were upset. But that's not on us, because Charmin's Essentials is what replaced Charmin Basic. They don't make Charmin Basic anymore. They only make Charmin's Essentials. And so sometimes, we don't get customers' information, so we can't reach out to them and actually say, hey, this is what's going on. So we did hang a sign to kind of, let that customer, hopefully, and other customers know that Charmin's Basic has been changed with Charmin Essentials. And so hopefully, to try to help that customer out and understand, we're doing what we can so they feel like they're being taken care of. Keeping things clean. So if associate sees a mess, they own that mess. It's not just maintenance that cleans our store. It's we take care of our store like you should take care of your home. You pick up after yourself. Following process to keep products in stock. So Walmart provides us all these processes, our One Best Way guides and things like that to follow to try to make us more efficient and have our products in stock for our customers. A major thing I think would be strategic hiring. So hiring for friendly and reliable, not hiring to have another body to fill a hole because your staffing is lacking. We need to hire somebody that's going to be friendly and help our customers out and stay around. And so that can be difficult because the pool you have for hiring can be difficult, but we just have to hire for that instead of just hiring for a body to fill a hole. Sharing the metrics with the associates. This is their store as much as it is manager's store. Share it with them, have them involved, tell them the improvements that we need to make, and ask them what their thoughts are. They will give you some great ideas because they have a different perspective, and make them feel like they're a part of what they already are. And then we found out that too many surveys can hurt your score. So we're a $34 million store, and a store Hutch's size is probably well over 100 million. I don't even know, but probably well over it. And they get as many surveys in a week that we do, which is about 200 surveys, which is insane. And so for us, we found out that having that many surveys can really hurt us, because those threes that, so maybe somebody's not happy and we want to help them out, and we do our best with whatever comments they give us. But those threes, we have to make up like 5 tens to make up the 1 3. So it's really kind of getting to us on how many surveys we get. We get a lot of them, and they're usually kind of the common things. And so I don't know how you get less surveys. Don't ask, but they still take them. So we just need to work on bettering, just catching all the details, and hopefully that all these surveys can end up being 10s, and we'll just jump straight up. But we can only do what we can do. And so Marilio said, Walmart is a prime example of what the market system is capable of accomplishing. It's a huge store packed with quality products at a cutting-edge low price that is extending its services throughout our entire nation and indeed throughout the world. Walmart efficiently operates as they utilize their limited time, talent, and resources to make strides in new technologies and efficient procedural techniques. It also manages to maintain a reputation on integrity in business circles. Walmart should be nothing but praised by society as they continually create wealth and consequently raise our standard of living. I feel like that is about what Walmart is about. But we all have areas of opportunities, and we're going to use that clean, fast, and friendly score to fix those areas of opportunities.